welcome back to my channel again. So this is again the 30-day challenge, 23rd day. I've made it all through till 23rd. So today's sorry is actually going to be one of my favorite artists, Bob Ross. So I'm actually following his technique but with acrylic and also on the golden brown paper. So just composed based on the techniques that he actually uses, but only thing is I didn't use uh, the palette knife. So apart from that, everything is brush. I've shown everything, just go along with that. But
before we continue, if you are new to this channel, hit that like button and please subscribe and share with your friends so that it helps YouTube algorithm to reach more people.
welcome back. So like I said, I was explaining about not using palette knife. If you use just the acrylic and the flat brush, should be fine, but main thing is try to drag it slowly so you get that not the texture, but at least you get that pockets of holes in the application of the paint itself. I have shown you exactly how you can use. I have used smaller, one of the oldest brushes that I have is angular brush. If not, you can use flat brush too, but you just have to make sure that that's the reason I didn't stick my paper onto the board, so that I can turn however I wish. So that those are the things. Main thing is again everything is same. Bob Ross techniques, if you look at it, he uses oil paints. I also have his oil paints, and then I also have painted many of paintings following his techniques. But he, in his videos he uses bigger brushes. I've used smaller brush because my area is small, but you get to know exactly how I've used. Concentrate on highlights on the mountain, on the shadow part, simple color mixing, and then the application for trees and bushes is he has two types of brushes. One is the round bigger brush, foliage brush, or otherwise he uses the corner of the 1 inch or 2 inch brush. I have used corner of a flat brush, and also I have used foliage brush, and I've painted. You can see that foliage brush I've used for highlights, even for the bigger trees on the right. Very simple, but I love his paintings because of not because they are some of them are realistic in the sense compared to the reference of nature, or otherwise surrealistic, which is more imaginary, and composition make it more colorful. So that colorfulness, that what I like is those colors plus the application, and then you can do it in one sitting. So that's the beauty of it. Have a look at Bob Ross paintings too as well, because I've been following him for almost 20 years. So that's one of the inspirations that I got from him, is that you can actually paint too, so you can try it out. So concentrate on those things and then try it out, because even if you're a beginner, I think you can still do it. It's not that difficult. You can still come close to what I've painted, or maybe do better than me. So try it out and let me know how it turns out, and I'll see you in my next video.